this feels weird. What's up, guys? This is a mic test because I just got a mic adapter for my GoPro. Got my friend's Grom, taking a fur ride around the airport. This thing is fun. Man. Anyways, I hope this mic works and you guys can hear me. Probably ride around at least twice just because I like this thing so much. Let's see, I'm gonna ride through here. Boy, it's really windy going this way. I hope this doesn't fuck up the video. I guess we'll see when I watch this. This motorcycle is so quiet, I can't even fucking hear it. Oh man, this is really windy. My eyes. Alright, let's see how fast this thing will go. Okay, let's try one more time, see how fast we can get this thing going. With the wind. $55. Oh, I got hit by a bug. Oh, we got 60. 60 on a stock Grom. Ugh.